Our viewers, in that new lesson we are going to knowing about Matplotlib. And what is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a Python library and which is used Visual Studio Code and Python community R, and we are using that Matplotlib and making that title, plot and figure. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then here is our data we created into part 2. So in that part 3 is good also. So left click mouse and then create your new file. Click here and call it mat3.python file, default file. Click here and then there is nothing, guys. Let me import that matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. When it's done, enter it another time and go to your mat2 folder, not file, and then copy it. Import pandas as pd2 plt.show method. So copy it and go to your new file. So here is our new file. Paste it here and then our data is ready. Now we are using and run this code. Firstly, we see that is there any title or not. So run button called in there, click here and then the code is running. Now here I maximize it and then I hide myself. Now this is the name of all of the students equals to 1 plus 9, and then here is the header. The header is not write anything else. The x-axis is also write Jila, Shima, Rohan, Rajiv, and the y-axis is not. And we see that the header of the title means the header is the title of our code. So close that and then we use that plt.title method. So enter it 2 times plt.ylabel in that line, hashtag it, and then adding the title method colon 8, enter it, another enter, and then plt.title what's roles and students, roles and students, not roles and names, bracket students plus equals to 1 minus 9. Now when it is done, the header, the run button is also here. Click here and then we are C. Now maximize it. I hide myself again. Now there is the header is stamped. The header says roles and names student plus equals to 1 to 9. Means our roll is 1 to 9. Also this here. Jila, Shima, Rohan, Rajiv, also another names. I added in the part 2. Rajiv, Rohan, Shima, Jila. Oh, guys, this is the her rows. So, okay, I hide myself. Now, guys, so our header is done. Plt.title method is done. Now, cut the plt.show method to import pandas as PD. Now we are going to using that numpy means np method and then making that plots and figure method, and we are going to showing that method. So import numpy as np. When it's done, enter it 2 times and hashtag it data colon. Now firstly a equals to np.arrange parts 5 equals to b equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. When it's done, c equals to not comma third brackets, and then 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. That is our value is done. Now enter it 2 times, and that fig means figure equals to plt dot figure method. Okay, now this bracket means nothing here. Enter it another time, ax. You can also use aj, ak. I use ax equals to, okay, ak equals to plt dot what, plt dot subplot this, and then now bracket it. Now our plot is ready. Now we are making that plot into a plot. Matplotlib's this plt default ak dot plot brackets, and then we use firstly a and b row, and then secondly a and c row to exercise the figure of our plot. So a comma b, we input that firstly, comma that black color k minus minus, comma, and then label equals to frequency. Now ak another time plot bracket, that bracket, and now we use a comma c. We said comma that another type k colon comma label equals to what, we use the, I call it snake, you call it another, oh, periods. Now double space it, and now ak dot label not ak dot legacy, legit, not legacy, legit, that bracket, and now call it here another enter and hashtag, adding the legend color. You can also use customize yourself hashtag, adding the lot. Okay, I mistake it to use that. Now hashtag plot showing colon, and then elt dot show. Our data is ready to use. Now click here, run the code, and now we are going to sing that code. Okay, our matplotlib is not closed. Now we are seeing. Here is our, I hide myself another again. Now here is our frequency, and here is our periods. Our frequency is black and bold, and here is our periods is not bold. Means this is our C values and A values. And firstly we say A and B values. This is the code methods. So you guys learned about that, how to frequency and periods use. So you movement that periods. So close that, and then here is our ak.legend method code. Now editing the legend and moving. If you so moved, so loc equals to what's upper left, I call it upper, center, left right, and right left, and center. This is used. Now another time run that code again. Oh guys, that is the frequency method, not move, but you can use that LOC method in that legend. So I give you that code in my description. If you like, so comment me and I give you. So this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamualaikum.